This is your step-by-step guide to pricing a vending machine. Low, the InReach Boston way.
InReach Boston Vending, powered by people who care.
Hold up, this is going to be a Pepsi machine.
No, it's a Polar machine. But Pepsi and Polar price the same, so both of you step back.
We're still here.
Welcome back to my vending machine review!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Please, I carry this channel.
Hello, Texan drivers. We will be showing you how to price a Polar machine, and it's worth mentioning that these steps also works for Pepsi machines. Before you unlock your machine, check for anything that looks out of place. In this case, the return change button is stuck. Once you open up your machine, please fix this. My bag, tapping it, did the trick.
A few moments later.
Now that you finally managed to open the door, you need to push the blue button on the controller board. Look on the display screen. You should see HD on the display. You see it? Very good. Now, simultaneously, hold down button number 1 and 2. The menu will scroll. Stop when you see SP. Great job. Now press each button one at a time to change the price. Long press to increase and double tap to decrease. No recap needed here. You can't remember? Start the video over. Bring in the cat, please.
Okay, Lady Chatterley, you had plenty of camera time. Step off!
Please, I carry this channel.
Today it's dog hour. Scoot!
Training produced by InReach Boston, made possible by RB Videos. Thanks for watching our training video. Made possible by RB Videos. Thanks for watching our training video.